This is absolutely crazy. How to manifest so fast, it's absolutely unbelievable. This technique is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. You're going to want to learn this one. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, if you haven't subscribed or clicked the bell icon, do it right now while you remember, because we're here all the time to empower your life with the latest in the mind sciences, personal empowerment, spiritual development, and of course, the law of attraction. So people ask me, Robert, how do I get a hold of you? How do I get a hold of your team? How can I start working with you? You can start off by claiming your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Now, don't be shocked. It's a brand new website, but it's the same great information. You'll love it there. lawofattractionsolutions.com. Hey, and be sure and check out our latest blogs. So, high flyers, you have a desire. You have something that you deeply want. Maybe it's a relationship. Maybe it's your soulmate. Maybe it's a new car or success in your business or whatever it is. Whatever it is. And you've tried psychics, you've tried psychologists, you've tried going to every kind of seminar under the sun. You've tried all kinds of law of attraction techniques. And either you've come up short or it hasn't helped at all. And I think that's because most people think it's the technique that makes the difference, but it really isn't. The technique is the tool. It's the tool that gets you there, but it's you and your vibration and your frequency that make the difference. You know, as they say in Fast and Furious, it's not the car, it's the driver. And so you are the driver. And when your frequency is in the right place, then all of a sudden manifesting becomes easy and it becomes fun because you know how to do it. And you can use a variety of different techniques and they're all going to work for you because now you are the right person. So the first thing you want to do is get focused and absolutely, I mean, crystal clear on your intentions. Absolutely crystal clear. Your desires are like, they're like flying around. They're like ghosts. They're like birds flying around, looking for embodiment, looking for a place to land, looking for a way to manifest. And they're flying around your mind. But until you give them a place to manifest and a way to manifest, they're just going to be thoughts and feelings and desires and wants in your mind. So begin by focusing clearly on your reality. Does it match the pictures, the desires, the wants that you have in your mind that are floating around looking for a place to call home? If they don't match, it's your limiting beliefs, it's your doubts, it's your fears that are holding you back. What I like to call your counter intentions. You see, these thoughts that you have, these desires are floating around in your head and they're moving in one direction, but your counter intentions are moving in the other direction and they're keeping you from getting what you want fast. So high flyers, what it really comes down to is if you want to change your life, you need to change your beliefs. So here's how you begin. Allow your imagination to intertwine with your desires. Use your imagination to give your desires a place to find embodiment. See clearly your desires being fulfilled. See clearly your desires being funneled in to your reality. Feel them. Feel those desires through your imagination as if they were real right now, this very second, right this moment. This is the law of assumption. This is one of the most powerful tools for creating and manifesting fast. It's an incredible tool because the universe is always sensitive to the changes in your belief structure. And when your beliefs change and you've gone from wanting, hoping, and needing to believing absolute certainty, the universe feels that vibrational shift and it begins to act on it instantly. I said instantly. What's happened, high flyers, is your desires and your imagination have turned into 3D manifestation right before. And you don't have to know how it's going to happen. You do not need to know how it's going to happen. That's the beautiful part about the law of attraction. Sometimes you kind of know, well, this is about, I think, how it's going to happen. But other times you don't have any idea. But once you've fused those desires with your imagination and you funnel them down, all of a sudden, boom, they're present in 3D. Here it is, that new car, that relationship that you desire, your soulmate, happiness, a new home, a new job, a better career, whatever you desire. Let your new reality become you. You are becoming your new reality, and your new reality is becoming you. And the two of you are becoming one. And that's how you reinvent yourself. And that's how you change yourself. And that's how you move from always being in a position of striving and wanting and needing and hoping to a position of having and accepting and believing and receiving. Oh, I love that word. Will you write it down below here for me? Just this one time. Write the word receiving. Now watch this video again if you need to. Follow it step by step. And guess what? Something spectacular is about to happen in your life. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.